Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The primary purpose of a modern electric milk frother and steamer is to bring the cafe experience into a home kitchen environment without the need for expensive or bulky espresso machines. This specific 4-in-1 multifunctional device is designed to handle several different tasks that are essential for making a wide variety of coffee-based beverages. It functions as both a heater and a frother, which means it can create hot dense foam for drinks like lattes or hot airy foam for traditional cappuccinos. Beyond the hot options, it also offers a cold foam setting, which is particularly useful for iced coffees and cold brews where maintaining a chilled temperature is necessary for the overall profile of the drink. Additionally, it can simply heat milk without creating any foam at all, which is ideal for making hot chocolate or adding a warm splash to a standard cup of drip coffee. By reaching a specific temperature range of 65 degrees plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius, which is roughly 149 degrees Fahrenheit, the device ensures that the milk is warm enough to be pleasant without being so hot that it burns or develops an off flavor. This temperature is widely considered the sweet spot for preserving the natural sweetness and texture of the milk proteins, which is why it is a standard in professional settings. Looking at the build and design of this appliance, it features a compact footprint that is intended to sit easily on a kitchen counter without taking up too much valuable workspace. The internal mechanism relies on two separate whisks which are responsible for the different textures of foam produced. One whisk is generally used for the high aeration needed for frothing, while the other is more focused on the heating and stirring aspect to ensure even heat distribution. The interior of the jug is typically finished with a non-stick coating which serves a dual purpose. First, it helps prevent milk solids from scorching and sticking to the bottom during the heating cycle, and second, it makes the cleanup process much more straightforward. Because milk contains fats and proteins that can become difficult to remove once they have dried, having a surface that releases residue easily is a significant design choice for a daily use appliance. The exterior usually maintains a clean and neutral aesthetic that fits in with most modern kitchen appliances. Safety and convenience are also integrated into the design through an automatic shut-off feature. This means that once the milk reaches the programmed temperature or the foam reaches the desired consistency, the machine stops on its own. This prevents overheating and allows a person to step away and prepare their coffee or tea while the frother handles the milk independently without needing constant supervision. In terms of performance, the ability to switch between 4 distinct modes is what defines the utility of this steamer. The process of creating foam involves aerating the milk by spinning it at high speeds while simultaneously applying controlled heat. For the hot dense foam setting, the machine works to create small uniform bubbles that result in a thick creamy texture that sits well on top of a latte or a flat white. The airy foam setting, on the other hand, introduces more air into the mixture to create a lighter and more voluminous froth, which is the hallmark of a classic cappuccino. The cold foam setting is a notable feature because it provides the texture of frothed milk without the heat, which has become a very popular addition to modern cold brew recipes and iced lattes. The heating function is straightforward but essential for those who prefer their milk at a specific temperature for beverages like matcha or hot cocoa. The precision of the heating element is vital because if milk gets too hot, it can lose its creamy consistency and develop a scalded taste that overpowers the coffee. By maintaining a consistent temperature around 149 degrees Fahrenheit, the device keeps the milk within a range that enhances the beverage rather than detracting from it. The speed of operation is another factor to consider, as most cycles finish within a few minutes, making it a practical addition to a busy morning routine where time is often at a premium. This type of appliance is best suited for individuals who enjoy specialty coffee drinks but prefer the convenience and cost savings of making them at home. It appeals to those who may already have a simple coffee maker or a pod-based machine but want to elevate their drinks with better milk texture. It is also a good fit for people who appreciate variety in their beverages, as the 4-in-1 functionality allows for experimentation with different styles of foam and temperatures. For those who frequently host guests, having a dedicated frother can make it easier to serve professional-looking drinks without much effort or specialized training. It is also well suited for people who prioritize ease of maintenance, since the simple whisk design and non-stick interior reduce the time spent on cleaning compared to the steam wands found on traditional espresso machines, which require immediate purging and wiping after every single use. Even for those who use non-dairy alternatives like oat or almond milk, this device can provide a much better texture than manual whisking, although results can vary depending on the protein and fat content of the specific milk alternative being used. At a price point of approximately $50, this device offers a range of features that provide a lot of versatility for the kitchen. While it is a specialized tool, it performs its specific tasks with a focus on temperature accuracy and foam quality. It represents a middle ground for those who want more than a handheld battery-operated frother can offer but do not want to invest in a high-end commercial-grade steamer or a full espresso setup. The balance of automatic functions, easy cleaning, and multiple foam settings makes it a practical choice for daily use. While it may require a small amount of counter space and an available power outlet, the benefit of being able to create cafe-quality foam at home is a significant draw for many coffee drinkers. Ultimately, it is a straightforward appliance that focuses on delivering consistent results for a variety of milk-based drinks while remaining accessible and easy to operate for the average user. It provides an efficient way to enhance the daily coffee routine without adding significant complexity to the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!